So here's how to replace the switch on a 2007 Dodge Charger. On the passenger side, I've already replaced the switch here, but just to show you how you do it, you take this screwdriver, a thin bladed screwdriver like that, and just push it under here and start prying up here, and this whole panel will come up out of there just like that. And then you release the plug there, and the plug is right here. It actually will unsnap from this part right there, and then you go and take a screwdriver and gently push out these tabs there. They're on both sides. Pull those out, and the switch will pull out, and it looks like that. This is the old switch, and the door lock quit working, so we replaced it. So to put it all back together again, you can take this piece, push the plug back in, like that, snaps in there like so. Then take this and slide it in there like that, and then push everything back down in place, and now it should work, and we should be able to lock the door. There it goes. We'll lock it. And that's how you do that.